You wake up in the morning and stretch. Your joints feel stiff. Later, you bend down to pick up something light. The stiffness shows up again. You sit for a while. When you stand up, your body feels slow. Nothing heavy, nothing sudden. Just everyday movements. But the stiffness keeps coming back. This didn't used to happen before. If this feels familiar, this video is for you. Many people feel like they are doing something wrong, but most of the time, that is not the case. Last week, we started with gentle movement to help joints feel more comfortable. Those movements were not meant to fix everything in one day. They were meant to start a process. Today, we will understand why stiffness returns and what actually helps over time. Why does stiffness keep returning? Most stiffness builds slowly from daily habits. Sitting for long periods, resting too long without movement, not taking joints through simple ranges during the day. Well, joint stiffness usually does not go away from doing exercises once or twice. That is one of the biggest misunderstandings. Over time, the body adapts to this lack of movement. That is why movement needs to be consistent, not intense. This is where many people get stuck. Let's understand what is really happening in the body. Think about this. You wake up feeling stiff. After moving a bit, it feels better. Later, after sitting again, the stiffness comes back. You stretch once more. This happens every day. The issue is not effort, it is timing and frequency. Stiffness is often not about something being wrong with the joints. It is about joints not being reminded to move often enough. Joints respond to movement. When they move gently and regularly, they tend to feel more comfortable. Short, gentle movements spread across the day usually help more than one long session. The goal is not to push harder. The goal is to move smarter. Let me show you a simple example. Gently lift your shoulders upward, then slowly relax them back down. That's 1. Let's do 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Later, if this feels comfortable, you can slowly work up to 15 to 20 repetitions. You can count that as one set, and you may do 2 to 3 sets spread through the day, depending on how your body feels. This movement is not about force. It is about reminding the joint to move. You do not need many repetitions at once. Even a few repetitions, done several times during the day, can help. One important thing to understand is how your body feels during movement. If you feel sharp pain, stop the movement. That is a clear signal from your body. If you feel mild tightness or muscle discomfort, that can be normal, especially when joints have been stiff for a while. Always stay within a comfortable range. Comfort comes before range. You never need to push through pain to benefit from movement. Keeping that in mind, let's look at another simple movement you can do, which is more effective than the previous one. Bring your arms forward at chest height. Gently open them out to the sides. Then bring them back together. Again, this is not a workout. It is a movement reminder for the joints. Movements like this are meant to feel controlled and comfortable. Let's do 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Later, if this feels comfortable, you can slowly work up to 15 to 20 repetitions. You can count that as one set, and you may do 2 to 3 sets spread through the day, depending on how your body feels. What helps stiffness most is gentle movement, frequent movement, and staying within a comfortable range. Doing a few simple movements several times a day is often more helpful than doing a lot all at once. This is especially true as we get older. The body responds better to regular reminders than occasional effort. That also means progress takes time, so it's important to set realistic expectations. Most people do not notice change overnight. That is normal. With consistent movement, many people start to feel easier movement within a few weeks. As these movements feel easier, you can slowly increase repetitions or move with more control. There is no rush. Progress comes from consistency, not speed. On Fitness Friday, we put these movements together into short guided routines. The goal is to make movement simple and repeatable, not overwhelming, not intense, just consistent. This helps build a simple habit around movement. Consistency matters more than intensity. In the next part of this series, we will complete our focus on joint stiffness by talking about how to keep movement consistent over time. Not just for a week, but as part of daily life. Move at your own pace and stay within a comfortable range. These movements are for general movement support only. If you have pain or a medical condition, check with a qualified professional before continuing. We have also included a PDF for this week's exercises, linked at the bottom of the description.